So this is technically illegal in 12 countries and Amazon just delivered it to my door in 48 hours. I bought every banned gadget I could find on Amazon. Some of these scared me. Let's test them. Before we start, important disclaimer, these products may be restricted in your region. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not encouraging anyone to break laws. Always check your local regulations. That said, I legally purchased these in my area, and I'm about to show you why some of them are banned, and why some maybe shouldn't be. If you're new here, I'm TechBite and I test tech that most reviewers won't touch. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. And yes, this gets crazy. Gadget number 1, Laser Pointer, 10,000 milliwatts. This is a 10,000 milliwatt laser pointer. To put that in perspective, regular laser pointers are 5 milliwatts. This is 2,000 times more powerful. It's banned because people were shining these at planes. Let me show you what it can do. Yeah, so I can see why this is banned. This can cause permanent eye damage from 100 feet away. This is not a toy. Why it's banned: aviation safety, eye injury risk. My verdict: should stay banned. Too dangerous. Gadget number 2, Signal Jammer. This device can block all cell phone signals in a 50-foot radius. It's banned by the FCC because it can interfere with emergency calls. But some people use them in movie theaters, restaurants. As you can see, it works. My phone just lost all bars. Here's the thing though, what if someone needs to call 911? That's the problem. Why it's banned: blocks emergency communications. My verdict: should stay banned, but I get why people want it. Gadget number 3, GPS tracker. This small device can track a vehicle's location in real time. It's often used for safety and fleet tracking, but it becomes dangerous when used without consent. People have secretly placed these on cars, bags, and even personal belongings to monitor someone's movements. As you can see, the location updates instantly and shows exactly where the target is. But here's the real issue: what if the person being tracked has no idea? That's when it crosses into stalking. Once the tracker is removed, the tracking stops. Why it's banned: enables stalking and privacy invasion. My verdict: useful for safety, but extremely dangerous in the wrong hands. Gadget number 4, night vision goggles. These goggles allow you to see clearly in complete darkness. They're commonly used for wildlife observation and security purposes, but they can also be misused to observe people without being noticed. As you can see, darkness no longer offers privacy when this technology is involved. The problem is simple: people expect privacy at night, especially in their own spaces. Once the goggles are removed, everything goes back to darkness. Why it's banned: allows surveillance without consent. My verdict: powerful technology that requires serious responsibility. Gadget number 5, EMP generator. This device can instantly disable electronic devices within its range. It doesn't affect just one phone, it can knock out multiple electronics at the same time. As you can see, screens shut down and systems stop responding. Now imagine this being used near hospitals, traffic systems, or emergency services. That's the real danger. Once the device is turned off, electronics can function again. Why it's banned: can cripple critical infrastructure. My verdict: this should absolutely stay banned, it's far too dangerous. Gadget number 6, lockpicking set. This kit is designed to open locks without a key. While professionals like locksmiths use it legally, the same tools can be used for illegal entry. As you can see, locks aren't always as secure as people believe. But imagine this in the wrong hands, where it becomes a tool for theft or trespassing. When the tools are put away, the risk disappears. Why it's banned: enables unauthorized access. My verdict: should only be used by trained professionals. Gadget number 7. Hidden camera detector, ironic. This device is designed to find hidden cameras and surveillance bugs. Here's the irony: in some places, it's restricted or banned. As you can see, it can quickly detect hidden recording devices. The reason it's controversial is simple: it exposes illegal surveillance. Once the detector is turned off, it stops scanning. Why it's banned reveals covert spying equipment. My verdict, ironic, but it actually helps protect privacy. Gadget number 8, Drone Signal Hijacker. This device can disrupt or take control of drones mid-flight. It's intended for restricted zones and high-security areas, but it can be misused easily. As you can see, the drone loses control and stops functioning normally. The problem is, what if that drone was being used for rescue operations, inspections, or emergencies? Turning the device off restores normal operation. Why it's banned, interferes with airspace safety. My verdict, too risky for public use. Gadget number 9, RFID Blocker/Skimmer. This gadget can either block RFID signals or secretly read them. It can protect your cards from digital theft or be used to steal information without physical contact. As you can see, data can be detected instantly if unprotected. That means theft can happen without you ever noticing. Using proper protection blocks the signal completely. Why it's banned, enables contactless fraud. My verdict, protection is essential, skimming is not. Gadget number 10, Taser disguised as a phone, final big one. This looks like a regular smartphone, but it's actually a taser. There's no visual warning and no obvious threat. As you can see, this is a real weapon capable of causing serious harm. The danger is obvious, someone could mistake it for a normal phone. Once it's deactivated, it looks harmless again. Why it's banned, disguised weapon risk. My verdict, self-defense is important, but deception makes this too dangerous. Okay, so I just tested 10 gadgets that are banned or restricted in various places. Here's my honest take. Should stay banned, dangerous. Military laser. Signal jammer. EMP generator. Taser phone, too easy to misuse. Questionable bans, I see both sides. GPS tracker, legitimate uses exist. Night vision, privacy versus security. Drone hijacker, security research versus misuse. Shouldn't be banned, defensive/safety. Hidden camera detector. RFID blocker. Lockpick set for locksmiths/hobbyists. The real question is, should Amazon even sell these? I reported every listing after buying these, and half of them are already taken down. But new ones pop up daily. So funny story, while filming this, my neighbor saw the laser demo and called the police thinking I had a weapon. The officers were actually really cool about it once I explained. But they did confirm that some gadgets are illegal to use in public here, even if buying them isn't technically illegal. This is why I'm saying, know your local laws before buying any of this stuff. Alright, that's all 10 banned gadgets. Wild experiment, right? Here's my final warning, do not go buy these just because you saw this video. I did this for entertainment and education. Some of these can get you arrested, fined, or hurt someone. That said, if you found this interesting, you need to see my next video where I test gadgets that should be illegal but somehow aren't. That video is even crazier. Drop a comment, which banned gadget surprised you most? Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay legal, stay safe.